Hello and welcome. Some people in the comments told me that Hitfilm Express now has watermarks. Check us out, you see these weird triangles all over the screen, and also there's this piano in the background, which seems to be an audio watermark. Very annoying. So when you start Hitfilm Express, I'm sure you ignore this window and you just go straight to the project by pressing New, pressing OK, and importing a clip or two. And then you put it on the timeline, edit around a little and try to export it by going to File, Export Contents. But once you finish exporting, you already can see in the preview there are these triangles. Here they are again. And again that piano. So to fix this, all you have to do is create a free account with an email address. Go to Options, go to Activation on the left and press Activate Program. This window that you always ignore pops up. So what you have to do here is press Get a Free License. This brings you to their homepage where you have to, I guess, create an account, and here you have to create an account, of course. And personally I recommend using a temporary email, so I'll just put this stuff in and play this annoying game and create account. Then I gotta go to my emails and verify this account over here. So I'm just gonna go to Hitfilm Express Free and get it. Okay, so here's my account, which I still already have, I guess. Alright, so that worked. So I'll just go to my email again, refresh. Here it is. Wow, so much freaking spam, I can't believe it. Alright, here it is, grab your software. Alright, so if I go to my account, now I can see my serial code right here. I had all this trouble because I was using an account that I did not use to download it yet. So now I can go back to Hitfilm Express, I can log in with this info, and I think it will not even ask me for the serial anymore. Perfect. So now I just have to close Hitfilm Express and start it again. Now I'm going to start a new project, drag in a clip, drag it to a timeline, and I'm just going to test whether there are limitations on longer videos. So this one is 20 minutes long with a lot of nothing in the middle. So there's another watermark actually. There are some add-ons which add this watermark down there. That one's really hard to see. Let me just add another clip. Look at this, you can see a Hitfilm Express icon down there. I mean watermark down here. Now I wonder whether that will actually appear in the output. So let's try to export this and see whether it does. Alright, let's go to File, Export, Content. Right, so I saw the triangles again, and they are here as well. But the one at the bottom right is not there. So I guess that's good. Let's go back and let's remove these effects because they have a reason for this watermark. So I'm just going to disable the lens distort, the one with the add-on icon. And I hope that's enough, so let's try to export this. Alright, so now we don't have a watermark in the middle anymore. And this is still the 20 minutes video, so apparently duration of the export video, at least about 20 minutes, don't cause a watermark. And finally, let's export this completely, so that we can see the end result as a video file externally. Alright, here it is. There is no watermark in the middle, there is no piano key watermark. Everything is fine as long as you don't use the effects you have to pay for. Let's take a look at which effects are affected. So in Warp we have Action Cam, Corrupt and Lens Distort. We have Waterhouse preset. There's the Blood Spray effect, the Channel Mixer, the Exposure effect. Nearly everything 360 is affected. Audio Compressor, Doppler Shift, Equalizer and Noise Reduction are affected. Behavior effects like Attract to, Follow, Rotate by Layer, Mix Parent Position, these things are add-on only. Bilateral Blur is affected, and there's many more. And the solution to avoid this watermark is simply to not use the ones that have this green icon, and only use the free ones. I suggest you try out other free video editors like Shotcut or Olive. I made very short beginner tutorials for these. They have absolutely no watermarks or silly download restrictions, and make sure to subscribe to find out about new free video editors as soon as they are released. See you in the next video. Until then, ciao!